Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to remove a video from your favorite on TikTok. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video so YouTube can push it out to others who need this tutorial. So to remove a video from your favorite on TikTok, first open up your TikTok app. Now tap on your profile tab at the bottom right. Then tap on the fourth icon to the right just below your bio details. This is where all your favorites are stored. It stores your favorite video, collection, sounds, effects, question, hashtag, and products. For this tutorial, we'll be removing a video from your favorite on TikTok, so tap on the video section. Tap on a video which you would like to remove, then tap on the share icon at the bottom right. Then find and tap on Remove from Favorite. The video will then be removed from your favorite on TikTok. And that is how to remove a video from your favorite on TikTok. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.